to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Ata, yeah.
But today we're going to get straight into the She's Hot contest. Because
Make it stop.
Exactly. This week we have a 10 out of 10.
That's right, a bombshell.
Her name is Miss Charlie Burnett.
Congratulations, Miss Charlie Burnett, on your win.
Congratulations. But Miss Charlie Burnett is an American actress and a model, as they say.
Bumba clap.
She is known for her roles on The Yellow Question in 2020 and Vanderpump Rules in 2013.
A vixen indeed.
Exactly. But we'll get straight into our hot topics for today because we have some hot topics for you guys.
That's right. Starting it off, first things first. The SAG-AFTRA just sent us tons and tons of movies and TV shows for our recommendation. So we have first Licorice Pizza,
Respect, Squid Game,
Squid Game,
House of Gucci.
Passing, Don't Look Up.
We have The Lost Daughter.
We have Tick Tick Boom with Andrew Garfield.
And the rest are just slips and consideration notes speaking more on these films.
That's right, and
But
IK and I are invited to the SAG-AFTRA Awards.
We have one more film, The Power of the Dog.
With Kristen Durst and her husband and the actor who plays
Doctor Strange.
Doctor Strange.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
Say, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Doctor Strange.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
What do you mean by that?
So we're really excited to see these, but you know IK and I, we go to the movies every single day. So 90% of these movies, as actors, we've seen them all. But it doesn't hurt to see it twice.
Yes.
Let's get into these hot topics, starting it off with One Bunch is Not Enough. Pierce Brosnan was snapped, leaving a store with a variety of roses. He had 5, just tons of roses. And I gotta say, he still got it.
You know, Dr. Ross, he's probably giving it to his Valentine's lover, but Pierce Brosnan looks like Hugh Hefner in this photo.
He
All
does.
of his hair is white.
And
you know,
like
that's
a
not
player
a bad thing.
indeed.
Yeah, man.
On to our next hot topic. I know all of you guys are on the edges of your seat. This is the topic you've been waiting for.
We're talking about, that's right, Kanye West.
Make it stop. Kanye is back in the news with his craziness. I don't know if you guys have seen The Matrix when he was talking to himself in the mirror, taking the pills. Kanye, you're bringing some resemblances right now. But what is the news, IK?
You know, there's allegedly some fishy waters going around saying that Kanye might have put out a hit on Kim, and Kim believes it. Now, Dr. Ross, this one's looking pretty bad for Kanye. You know, Kanye is already maybe a little bit mentally unstable, and he's going out on the streets, putting a mask on, wearing rain boots, looking like a crazy farmer. This is just another knife stab for
Exactly.
Kanye.
It's a whole mess. Kanye and Kim's kids together are a mess. Kim right now is a mess because she's on the loose running because you can't predict what Kanye is going to do next, if he's going to show up to your house, he's going to show up to your daughter's birthday parties. Who knows?
You're right. Speaking about that, Kanye actually was saying when he went to his daughter's birthday party and went to get his graphic novels, he was given charges of stealing and also
accused of being on drugs.
Yes.
Now, Kanye, these might have been true allegations. We don't know. But Kanye, all we want to say is stop. You're getting into some dangerous waters, and Pistol Pete better start carrying a... because you're not safe. Just because Kanye is not throwing any threats at you right now does not mean he's forgotten about you.
he'll hire some henchmen.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye.
And Pissy Pete does not want to be a part of this fiasco.
Not at all.
You know, we hear that Pissy Pete's going to be at the Super Bowl.
Let's get into our last 2 hot topics. So for our next hot topic, Brian Austin Green.
He's back in the
Anyways, no, I will not waste my time on the Brian of the Austin Green. Not gonna do it for the Rose and Gold.
We're not even going to give you any airplay.
Exactly.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
On to our next hot topic. Pamela Anderson is single again. She is divorced from her 5th husband, Dan Hayhurst. They got married on Christmas Eve 2020. It is now 2021. And she's single again.
Or 2022,
2022, sorry. She's single again, and I I just want to say, if you guys haven't seen Pam and Tammy, that is the hot news
Or
right now.
Pam and Tommy. That's what it is.
Pam and
Just
Tommy,
quick
sorry.
correction.
Pam and Tommy. So, Pamela Anderson is played by the Cinderella actress Lily James, and they've really turned her into a star. And then Tommy is played by Sebastian, who Sebastian, but the other actor, Sebastian.
Yes, they really rigged him up for this role. This role is maybe one of his best looking roles in my opinion.
Yes.
But it's going to be a crazy show, and the reason why is because it's talking about the Pamela Anderson and Tommy Lee tape.
And clearly, Pam does not look like that anymore.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
Let's get into our next and final hot topic for today.
These are all of our hot topics, but quickly we're going to mention that if you didn't hear it from the beginning of the show, Kay and I have been invited to the SAG-AFTRA Awards, so you will see us there. And they sent us all these movies and TV shows
For our consideration
Yes.
for our voting, and Dr. Ross and I are going to vote on all these films, and we're going to make sure to let you know on Instagram.
Make sure to comment down below what you personally thought about some of the movies and TV shows we mentioned too.
That's
because
right. There's The
we
Lost
might
Daughter.
put your thoughts in there for
That's-
the votes.
True. There's The Lost Daughter. There is The Power of the Dog,
Respect,
House of Gucci, Squid Game,
Don't Look Up,
Licorice Pizza,
Tick Tick Boom,
and last but not least, we have King Richard. King
That's
Richard
right.
might be in a different room, but we have King Richard too.
We love it.
close it off.
We're
But
going to cut it short, and we're going to say congratulations to Miss
Exactly.
Charlie Burnett. We're going to call you Charlie B. Charlie B.
congratulations.
Congratulations on your win. These were all of our hot topics, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, as well as the subscribe button, and we're out. Bumba clap.
Bumba clap. Everything is everything.
Yama.